This video will explore 7 top AI tools that can significantly boost your productivity and save you time. First up is OpenAI's ChatGPT. It replaces tasks like writing emails, reports, research, and content creation. Instead of starting from a blank page, you get instant drafts and ideas, potentially saving you 3 to 4 hours weekly. Tool number 2 is Grammarly. It replaces manual proofreading and grammar checks. It fixes issues and adjusts your tone as you type, meaning no second review is needed. This is great for students and professionals, saving 1 to 2 hours per week. Next is Notion AI, which helps with meeting notes, task planning, and documentation. It summarizes meetings and auto-generates documents from rough notes, saving another 1 to 2 hours weekly. Tool number 4 is Canva AI. It replaces basic graphic design work and manual slide creation. The AI designs presentations and social media posts quickly, saving creators and marketers 1 to 2 hours every week. Tool number 5, Zapier, replaces repetitive manual tasks and copy-paste workflows. It automates tasks between apps, like sending email data to a spreadsheet. Once set, it works 24/7, saving 2 to 3 hours per week. Midjourney is tool number 6, replacing tedious stock photo searches and basic design work. You simply type a prompt and receive high-quality images instantly, saving about 1 hour weekly. Finally, GitHub Copilot replaces manual coding and helps with debugging. It suggests code as you type and fixes errors faster, saving developers and analysts 2 to 4 hours weekly. By combining just 3 to 4 of these tools, you can easily save 10 to 15 hours every week. This freed up time can be used to learn new skills, build a side hustle, or simply rest. Remember, AI won't replace you, but people who use AI will. Start with just one tool this week and build your efficiency from there. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helped you understand how AI can save your time and boost productivity. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content.